Hi everybody, good morning, happy Memorial Day. I'm walking my dog Bella. Whoops, she's behind me, so a little hard to see. Bella, stop for a second. Okay, there's Bella, there's Kyle. He likes to walk with us. All right, really quickly, a lot of the new members are hobbyists who want to start doing a business with stickers. So a couple things. I've just learned about something called Ko-fi, K-O-F-I. I haven't even investigated it, but I need to look into that, and I'll get back to you as far as how much it costs to join and how effective it is. Whatnot, WHATNOT, live auctions. I love it. Unfortunately, I have been so busy, I haven't been consistent with doing my auctions. Note, if you join, do it through my affiliate link, and then you do affiliate links to bring in people. And when you make your first sales, then I get $100 commission, which is awesome. Shops, physical shops, coffee shops, boutiques. I started out at the crystal shop here, the local crystal shop. And I also am in an upscale flea market, which has been amazing. Okay, just to be honest, the sales have not been great, right? But it's a whole community. There's like 500 stores in there. That seems like a lot. But anyway, let's say 150 stores. And I get to meet the owners and we talk and it's just been good. And I just started advertising them on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if you're abroad, if you have that. But that's a nice local area, a local way to bring people into a shop where you have products. Marketplaces, farmers markets. I hate being out in the elements, but you know what? If I'm making sales and I'm meeting people, it's worth it. One of the things about the stickers is, you can sell one sticker for over $3, let's say. But if you get a custom order, then you're making some real money. Collectible shows. There's one really close to where I live, so that's been good. My stickers are not, I'm not trendy. I don't do pop demon killers and, what is it called? Labubus, so, but if you're into trendy stuff, a collectible show is a great place to be. I also do every Thursday. My friend does a run club. She's a chiropractor. That has really become a thing for me. I've started running. If someone's there to watch my little table, then I run just a little bit, but it's so good. And I've started to get custom orders from those runners also. Social media, okay. So website, pros, cons. I have one because I felt I needed one, but you might do just as well with a YouTube page. So that's something, maybe we'll get an expert in here to help us out with that. YouTube, we have a member here is Des Dreckett from the UK, and he's mentoring me right now. And so my goal is to grow my YouTube channel and funnel people from there into my school community. What else we got? Oh, and Instagram. If I post on Instagram, it automatically goes into Facebook stories, which is really cool. And that's about it for now. I will put the transcript in the notes. And if I think of anything else, I will update. Thanks, everybody. See you in the classroom.